Oh yeah, we're down here at the CNE opening day. I'm here with Toronto Brad. Big ups, man. We're down here at the CNE. Got a little bit of rain today, but we're not gonna let that scare us away. We're gonna do some video clips and some live streaming. We're also gonna run into, of course, we got George Iceman is here. Johnny Strides was here earlier on this afternoon, and Action Kid is currently live streaming, and we'll see if we can say hello to him. Big ups, Toronto Brad. Let's do it. CNE.
Let's do it. So tomorrow they also have the Taste of the Philippines going down tomorrow, right?
Taste of Manila, yes.
Taste of Manila.
At Bathurst and Wilson. We're gonna be. I'm gonna be going down there.
Right.
Are you gonna go down?
Yeah. I'll be there tomorrow. I'll be there going into the evening.
Yeah. Okay.
There. Yeah, for sure, man. I'll
So
check
do
that
that
out,
up too as well.
I never miss Taste of Manila.
That's
I
right.
didn't miss the fun Philippines, but
So that means, yeah, we're gonna have to check out that video too. Don't forget to check that live stream and video out on both of our channels. There we go.
So what's the street? I don't really do live streams anywhere else, or I don't usually hang out anywhere else to get footage over there. But I'll make an exception because Mr. Jeff Lepard is here. We'll do some live streaming, and you guys will stadium for these guys, man. Every team in the MLS has a decent stadium, and in Toronto FC they kind of get like this stadium here. Like you can see, these rides are not permanent. They're kind of rides. I don't know how much fun you're gonna have on this, though. Maybe for a little kid, it's kind of fun.
It's over by the fire. Oh yeah, over by Katie Land over there. No, exactly. Only a few millimeters.
Hopefully he doesn't get any. He doesn't get any. But he's here. We have all the Secret Service guys here are blocking him. Yeah, you see Trudeau right there. You can see the back of his head from here. He's got his t-shirt on. He's doing his thing.
We got famous failed leader.
He's got a career right now. I'll record it. I'll put it on here so you guys get a chance to see this guy.
Completely surrounded.
Yeah, he's surrounded. He's got his Secret Service guys out here. So, yeah, man. Let's go record him. Let's go record him. So you guys get a chance to see him. And, yeah, man.
We're doing a vacay here.
Imagine if Trudeau was popular. Have nothing really big. Just big guards. These big guards here. Elections as long as again. What's up, guy?
What's going on, Toronto? Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's not going to hold an election for as long as he can. He'll hold it until the very last minute. Thank you very
Love the reactions of the people. I want to say there's some people that are telling them off, and I'm missing that. I can't get close enough.
Yeah, they're not gonna let us get close to Trudeau. Imagine what I'm saying. If he was loved, there wouldn't be no problem. He'd be out here hugging and kissing everybody, right? So,
tell us how you feel.
I think that Trudeau is like, he's supposed to be a man of the people, but he's supporting himself with, or he's surrounding himself with like 100 Secret Service guys. So you can't tell him how you feel about the policies that he's creating that is causing hardship for people in Toronto. So I'm like, well, why don't you call an election if you're so popular? Obviously he won't call an election because he knows if he calls an election, he's toast. So, and this is Toronto. He should win every seat here, and he's gonna get destroyed in Toronto. He can't even win this city. That's
good. There we go. That's good. They're on the right side of the page. All right, there we go.
Yo, man. You guys like Trudeau. You guys like Trudeau. You guys are kind of confused.
There we go. Awesome, awesome.
You like Trudeau? No, nobody likes this guy.
I want my plastic straw.
I don't, man. We want Trudeau out, man. We're back, please. Trudeau out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's Action Kid right there. We got Action Kid in the chat. We're live down here, and we're here at the CNE. Yeah, man. Action Kid in the house. We got Action Kid in the house. We'll meet up with him.
We'll meet up with you, man.
We'll go to the other side, and we'll have to meet up with him.
You get a gimbal? Have a gimbal?
Yeah, he's got the Osmo. He's got the Osmo. Yeah, man. Look, there we are. There we are. We're stream sniping it. There we go. There we go. Damn. That's awesome. That's awesome. Everybody's saying hello to the chat. 700 people in this chat right now. Yeah, we should walk and meet him, right?
Yeah. Once he comes down.
So we'll meet you. Yeah, guy. Action Kid in the house.
Kid, what's going down, guys?
Big ups, man.
Big ups, Action Kid.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes, man. Going down.
Nice. Oh, I guess they make you hold it, take the gimbal off. Action Kid
Famous
in the house.
YouTuber.
Action Kid in the house.
Famous YouTuber.
And we just did a super chat here. We just did a super chat there.
Yeah.
He's getting a corn, Georgia. We're having a good time, man. We're having a good time here. There we go. See. And the rain's held off too as well, right? So what's going on? Yeah, I know. Hey, you have to take it off. All right, big ups. The famous YouTuber. Big ups, man. Oh yeah, the one and only Action Kid in the house. We get to see each other again, man. He's got to get the let him get the gimbal on. Yeah, they suck. They don't let you put it on, right? Yeah. Nice, man, with the
it's non-GMO, by the way. It's non-GMO,
which is
corn
important, yes.
From local Ontario farmers, grown fresh. So I support the local Ontario farmers.
Absolutely.
So you know, this was very expensive though. This was literally this is half an hour's wage. This is like $8.50.
Wow, for a corn. All right.
So if you're making $16 an hour, this was half an hour's work.
Nice.
But it's supporting local farmers, and it's a fair. It's only here for 2 weeks in Canada, so let's support.
There we go. Sure. We're here with Action Kid, man. We're down here, of course, at the CNE opening day. Opening day, man. Opening day.
Action Kid, get out before the rain.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk over to Princeton Gate.
Yeah.
My scooter is. Yeah.
The famous food building. We are going in to see what is new this year.
I remember that.
Monchi Kit Kat, bro. Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah, I went to that one.
I'm confused here. Farm to fryer. But I see cheese, 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 and a crab. Which farm has crabs and cheese? This is bizarre. It's all scheming.
I know.
The schemes that are going on in this joint. Ali's roadie, but the guy's
Baseball cap and run in there.
Exactly. Well, you can identify as whatever you want now, right? So.
You can say I identify as a man.
Exactly.
But nowadays, I'll walk into the girls' washroom, I identify, so you're one.
Yeah, the guys watching probably
You're watching.
The guys watching this probably bigger than the movie's watching anyway. So
Oh, what's going on here?
Oh yeah. Look at this guy.
This is new here. This wasn't here last year. Smells fat. Cheeseburgers, pre-rolled.
I'm not sure. Yeah? All right. Iceman and I have a double smash. What was it called? Double.
Oklahoma smash. So they take the onions, they saute the onions with the cheese. 2 smash patties, 6.5 ounces of ground beef. Let's check it out.
All right, here we go. Let's check it out. I'm gonna check it out. All right, he's gonna try first, and we'll see what he thinks. Here we go.
It's beefy.
Ah, okay.
Very beefy.
Nice.
Need some
nice.
ketchup.
Okay.
Need some ketchup.
Yep.
I will say.
Overall, good.
Clean.
All right.
But need some ketchup.
Okay. All right. All right. So now it's my turn. Here we go. Let's see. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot. Here we go. Yeah.
Good, boy. Good. Good, man. Very good.
Get some more napkins.
So
Let me get myself set up here.
definitely beefy. It is good.
I'm gonna grab a
It actually is pretty good.
One
Yeah.
moment, let me get myself set up. I'm gonna be
Toronto
eating.
Brad ordered.
Yeah, same thing. The Oklahoma
Except you
double
got
fried,
the,
man. So I got that right there. So we're gonna check that out.
That's okay. I am now. It is raining. Toronto Brad got his free candy. Yeah, it's raining. Look at that, guys. It's raining. Well, day opener of the Canadian National Exhibition rained out, but it's not scaring people away. He is getting some sort of an ice cream, waffle or something. Yeah.
Everybody got brooms today, man.
Yeah.
Push broom was like a push broom kind of thing.
Interesting.
It's quite the process.
How many did you get? How many did you
Me,
get?
one. Here we go,
They're
boys.
just your paparazzi?
It's my paparazzi. We're filming it. This better be good.
Ah, it's my first day!
One coming up. Here we go.
It will be good.
Ready?
It's delicious.
Here we go, folks.
All right, here we go.
There you go, man.
All right.
This is when you don't come to the CNE and you don't without ordering one of these. It's a staple. But let's see if it's as good as it was last year. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
It's gonna be even better because I made it.
I'm talking about.
Oh, tell me it's good.
Forget about it.
Ah, nice, nice.
Have a great night.
Good job. Garbage bag side of the game. Toronto Brad, where's your garbage bag, sir? You didn't bring it? I didn't bring it. I get my hair wet. Oh, my hair is getting wet. I get my hair wet. They're smart. Never mind.
I want to get the hair.
Yeah, no, I know. You can't get my hair wet. I can't get my hair wet. Smart to bring though. I gotta say.
We actually got this for free.
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Ah, that's nice. That's nice. At least it's clear to it, you know, recyclable or whatever, you know. Damn it. Umbrella's in the car. We'll have to go back for it when I go live.
I gotta get back out there. It's been a while, man.
Oh yeah. All right. Taking a little break from the rain.
Great, let's walk through some of these joints.
Freshly squeezed.
Freshly squeezed lemonade here.
Here we go.
Guys, this is a masterous lemonadist. All right? When you go for coffee, they call them baristas. Here, they call them lemonadists.
Ah, there we go. Yes. Yes.
Professional lemonadists.
You're making freshly squeezed lemonade?
Take a look how it's done here.
Oh my goodness, man.
You cut off the price tags.
Yeah.
Wow, that's what I'm talking about.
Look at the
This guy is eating and drinking like non-stop.
Yeah, man. Toronto Brad still there.
There's some books about everybody.
That's okay. It actually sticks.
This is wicked. All right, so these are the slippers here. Are you ready? We're gonna do the neck one. So here, I'm gonna get you guys to feel it. This is cold, right? It's a little lukewarm, whatever. We're gonna click.
Oh my God, look at
What
that.
the hell? Just like that.
Turns to gel.
Okay.
All right, now feel that.
And this is for the neck.
Yeah, that's for the neck. And it
Instant
comes
heat.
with-
What the hell?
Yeah, no microwave, no plugging
So
it in,
what,
no
like,
charging it.
it goes in this?
Exactly, it goes in this. So here, I'll put it in this. So that
Now, is this TSA friendly?
it is.
Or do you know?
Like, we would say put it in your luggage because that's the best bet. Just so you don't have to deal with them, because they can be a little bit of a pain sometimes.
Can. So
It's
that's
up
the
to their
protector.
discretion.
Oh, this is very different than
Once it
the.
gets in here, turn around. I'm gonna toss this one on your neck. It feels like a nice warm hug.
Yeah.
And because it's a moist heat, it helps relax the muscles. Anything you get a microwave.
Do you come with it or what?
You give me an extra tip, we make everything work.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll get rid of the wife too.
Wow.
Ah,
It's good.
Stay in here the night. And then here,
Good.
bam.
All right, here we go. Wow. Look at the heat. Heat on there. Yeah, you can feel it.
feel it?
Yeah, yeah,
It's not bad, right?
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Damn. Nice. Jeez. That's nice, eh?
I don't even have to sell it. You're selling it.
Hello, guys. Not too bad.
Some snacks. Some snacks. Snacks. Little car.
Got hot chicks.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, man.
Having a fresh decaf Americano here at the Wandering Bean.
Yes.
CNE.
CNE.
They've been here a while. I think they're also in the
International
other building as well.
building. Yeah. Here we
You guys
go.
in the other building as well? Been there for years.
All right, here we go.
What's your grade?
Phenomenal. Out of a 10, I'm going to give it a 9.3.
That's great.
And that's
Phenomenal.
decaf. That's not even real coffee.
Now,
guys.
That's great. That's great.
I could be wrong, but I think the other building with them has like an old school coffee machine. Does it or no?
Yeah, it just broke today.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, gaskets went
So you
down
came to the
today.
right
It's been
one.
there for years. That
This
machine.
one is the
See, look at that one.
Yeah.
Victoria
Yeah.
Arduino, but
That's
the other
nice.
one's a lever, like a pull.
Nice.
Imported from Italy?
Originally.
Nice. Crazy wall here.
Oh, here's your other guy here.
Hey, what's standing?
Yeah, go there.
George's buying some cologne.
Yeah, man. This is the reveal
So-
report.
Next week, for all of you that are watching, next week we're going to be at the Nostalgia 90s Festival. This was the most popular cologne back there for everybody in high school and college. So this is the Malizia. We're going to wear it next week at the 90s. Let's see what people have to say.
Yes.
You got to try. This is the real deal here.
Yeah, try it. Try it.
This is the real deal, guys. You got to try this.
Yeah.
Try it. She has the machine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is it the, oh, is this,
best one.
Dude, this is really good.
oh,
'cause
it's the
working
cushion
up-
itself, eh?
Grab a seat and then.